Okay, so you should have your notifications on anyways.
I don't think it's live yet. What is it?
It is.
Lesson on unit internal parts of a computer.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's not live yet.
It is live. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, and I only have 5 people on the game. Is it only 5 people on the lesson, or is it only 5 people that can see it? That's fine. We'll wait on you guys. Zania, give me the max book. Let me give you something to do, please. Or actually, go on YouTube and let me see what's up there. On DTS Tech Fit. Yeah, found it. Only 5 people in still. Is it just 5 people that are in?
No, there's more than this.
Okay, so why is it showing me only 5? Okay. Maria, can you tell me when everyone's in so I can start it up? Because I can only see 5 on here.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you? Yeah. All right, cool.
I did tech. Do I have to do fit? Yes.
In yet. In yet.
Okay, so I can see the
I'm in both, literally on the group chat and on the live chat.
I know you're used to me, dear. Oh.
I know, that's what.
Can you used to me? Just 1 minute. I know you're used to me, dear. Can you guys just tell me when everyone who's gangster? Oh, that's bad, isn't it, gangster? Give me a minute. Can you guys just tell me when everyone who's gangster? Oh, that's bad, isn't it, gangster? Give me a minute. Oh. But I don't mind if the world moves faster, music's louder, the words move faster. I don't mind if everyone you're here, you're calling the captain, you're talking of you. It's a Grinch, you're a bad man. It's a Grinch. I don't have to do BTS Tech Fit. I think about ZTS or BTS Tech Fit Education. Try that one. Oh, DTS. Yeah, there we are. See? You didn't see me? I think BTS. You didn't see me? Still only 5 people still. Okay. How are we getting on? Only 2 people in the chat on YouTube, so I'm assuming everybody's in the game. I want to play. How are we getting on? Only 2 people in the chat on YouTube, so I'm assuming everybody's in the game. The code is there if you want. The code is 6. Yeah, you can do 2 quizzes on your phone and. Can I get your one? The code is there. Your other one. Mm-hmm. The code is 6. Yeah, you can do the quizzes on your phone. It's going to be a lesson, not just a quiz. Okay. So you heard me now, guys. I will start. So Today we'll be learning about components of the computer. So for our objectives, we have done this lesson already. Yes, why is it going so fast? Sorry, guys. I don't know why it's jumping. So if you look at our objectives, these are things that we should know and we should be aware of. Are you hearing me, guys? Yeah? So look at the definition of a computer hardware components. We should know what these are. So we should know the difference between internal and external hardware of the computer already. So what I want us to do now, we're going to briefly go through this lesson on here. And then if you want to rewatch it again, you can come back and watch it. This is why I'm literally recording it on live, and I will save it when I'm done. Hopefully it will be okay for you to watch if you want to. Yeah. You need to be able to demonstrate the ability to identify and complete the functions and explain, sorry, the functions and specification of any hardware component through written verbal assessment. And this is what we're going to be doing today. At the end task, including, are you hearing me, everyone? Yeah. Guys, because I am on here, can you just send some information in the chat so I can see you? Because I can't see you on quizzes. So you need to let me know. Can you just send a message in the YouTube chat? Say maybe yes, 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 or no, I can't hear you. So I can know that you're hearing what I'm saying. Okay? Okay, not to worry. Let's just go through the lesson and then the end of it, what I really want you to do, but I want you to have this as maybe like a short video. I don't want it to be long, a short video that you can go back and watch. Okay? So if you listen and just answer the questions, that'll be okay. Is that fine? Yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna do that and hopefully we can actually get through this, get it recorded, and I'm gonna show you the task that I needed to do, and I'll put it in the group chat that's at the end of the lesson. Okay? So first we're gonna define a computer hardware. And you can watch the video. This video is also on YouTube. So I am not going to be watching the entire thing. If you watch the video so you can define what a CPU is, it's currently loading on here. So hopefully we can get that up. If not, there's a definition on here. It's a definite. So what we're going to be defining is CPU, GPU, RAM, and the external peripherals such as your monitors, your keyboards. Those are your external hardware. Okay? I don't think this video will work on here. However, the video will be linked in the chat in the description of the videos of this stream so you can see it. Yeah? My phone. I don't know. Wait, is it not in my bag? Maybe on the top of the bed. Okay. Okay, let's see. Leadership board. Well done. All 7 correct. Well done, guys. So we're going to define a peripheral. It will be linked in the description. So is it coming up? No, thank you.
Say you just bought a new computer, and with excitement, you unpack it and set it all up. The first thing you want to do is print out some photographs of the last family party, so it's time to head back to the store to buy a printer. A printer is a device that is connected to a computer but is not part of the core computer architecture. The core elements of a computer are the central processing unit, power supply, motherboard, and the computer case that contains those 3 components. Technically speaking, everything else is considered a peripheral device. However, this is a somewhat narrow view since various other elements are required for a computer to actually function, such as a hard drive and random access memory, or RAM. Most people use the term peripheral more loosely to refer to a device external to the computer case. You connect the device to the computer to expand the functionality of the system. For example, consider a printer. Once the printer is connected to a computer, you can print out documents. Another way to look at peripheral devices is that they are dependent on the computer system. For example, most printers can't do much.
Okay. Did we get the definition? I hope we did get a brief definition of what a peripheral device is. So a peripheral device, sorry, I can't talk. Peripheral device is connected to the computer to enhance functionality. So so if you need a feature like your printer, you connect that. If you have your mouse, that's a peripheral device. So everything, the external hardware. So you have your printers, your scanners, an external storage device. Anything that you can plug into the computer that is tangible, something that you can feel, it's a peripheral device. So it needs to have some sort of functionality to it as well. So we're going to move on to the next question. That's not a question still. Is it coming up? So that video as well, we're not going to watch it on here. I'm going to ask you to watch it. Let me just play some of it as well. What does a webcam, Wii control, and a remote control have in common? They are all input devices. Well done, you. Well done. You got it. You have input devices and output devices. But today we will be talking about input devices. So some of our input devices will be displayed and explained in the next section of the video. So stay tuned and remember to like and subscribe and turn that notification button on so you don't miss all the beautiful techie stuff that I have prepared for you. Thank you so much. What are input devices? Input devices are any device that you use to interact or communicate with your computer. So any little small gadget, any little electronics that you use can be a plug and play. As long as you use it to communicate with your computer or to interact with your computer, you can use it to put information into your computer. You can use it to add messages to your computer. You can use it to add a voice note to your computer. You can use it for singing. So some of the basic most well-known input devices are you have your microphone. Yes, when you speak into your microphone, it sends information in a voice note to your computer. Or you can have a mouse. A mouse is also a component that you use to send information to your computer. Yes. We also have a keyboard. A keyboard is something you use to type text information to be displayed on your computer's monitor. So these are most of the basic ones. You have joysticks also, as shown here. You also have a scanner. A scanner could come, there are numerous scanners. You have scanners like, for example, when you go to the supermarket, that's a barcode scanner. It scans information from the goods or services you like to purchase. There are also scanners will scan a paper or a document using this scanner here. So let me know what other input devices you can think.
So you have your keyboard. Yes, so that's an external hardware component. And in that video, we also learn about hardware components that are external to the computer. Sorry. Awesome. Well done, guys. We're just gonna go through this a bit. What time do we finish? 12:30. Okay. Because I want you to start the other activity in a minute. So we just want to get through the lesson as quick as we can. And then you have your CPU, which we've as soon as we're done with this lesson. And we should know the description of the computer. Main points that you want to remember when we're working on or exam is to know that it's the brain of the computer. You need to know that it executes functions, yeah, and you need to know the different parts of the CPU, which should be in that other video, at the first video. I think the first video about CPUs. So then you have your internal hardware as well. It's all still about internal hardware. You have your CPU, GPU. You should have a definition of these. You can read it, you can snip it, or you can go back and watch this video as soon as we're done here to help you with the final task. Yes, and you need to remember that the GPU, it comes with its own storage. Yeah, so its own memory. So it frees up storage space for the CPU. That's a clue that you might want to ensure that you remember as well for the GPU. Then you have your RAM as well. So you have your RAM is volatile. We should know that it's used to store data that the CPU can access quickly, allowing for faster data retrieval and improved system performance. Yeah. And we have some examples of these. These are all internal and external hardware components that we should be aware of. I'm just going through it briefly for you. Ooh, let's see. Leaderboard. Awesome. We'll find out this. We'll look at the reports in a bit and we'll see. Well, all the answers were correct. So well done. So we have our software component. We have different software, and 3D rendering software is something that I want you to explore a bit, and I want you to also um, give me a good definition of what a 3D rendering software is. This is a definition I have on here. So 3D rendering software is used to create three-dimensional images or animations from a two-dimensional representation. For example, you have Autodesk, Maya, Blender, Cinema 4D. So these are all rendering software. We need to actually test it out in class, and we can test that out when I see you guys tomorrow. For your OS, your operating systems, so the operating system is software that manages computer hardware and provides services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. Some examples are Microsoft Windows 10, Mac OS, Big Sur, and Ubuntu Linux or Linux. We normally just say Linux. Yeah? Know about our firewall. Yeah? You hear me talk about firewall quite often in college because I'm always either saying the firewall is blocking this, or the firewall is blocking that, or the firewall is not allowing this application through, or the firewall is um preventing me from accessing this website. This is all because the firewall does does block, and it authorizes access. So if it's not on the white list, meaning that the the website or the application is not on the list for authorized by the IT department, then it won't get through to our systems. We won't be able to access it. So like for example, some of the computers you can't access some quiz or some games. So I think at one point even Facebook was blocked on there because they didn't want us to access Facebook. So it's a protection. So it is a external, so it's a built-in or external, it's usually built-in or external to block unauthorized access and protect against random calls from hackers. Proper setup and regular updates are essential for firewall effectiveness, especially for high-speed internet connections. So another way that you can protect yourselves and to protect your data, your sensitive information, is to enhance your personal password. Yeah. So password and keywords, it needs to be strong, so you use a lot of different characters. You use your letters, your numbers, and you combine it so that it's not easy. And please do not use password 123. Awesome. Let's see. Ah, I skipped it. Sorry, guys. We'll see the leaderboard on the next part. It's another question. So I know I didn't allocate groups on here. However, this is the question. Okay, some people are typing. Okay, you can type. Thank you. So we can see your answers. Because we're doing it as an individual task instead of. I'm gonna give you some task in a minute. Chameleon, Castellian, that person. Are you still typing the answer? Because you didn't type answers properly for me. SSD is not one answer. still only 4 people. Is it? I can only see 4 people that gave at least an answer. Somebody put a dot. I do not know what that is. This is the final question. Let me just mute myself. Guys, can someone send me a message so I can know? Some people are still typing. So I want to end the session, but I need you to answer this question for the rest of the session. And then tomorrow you bring it in, and then we'll finish working on it. Okay? Zania. Oh God. Sorry. Zania, can you bring your book to me and let me give you a task? I said that a while now, please. Oh, the comprehension task. Come, please. Huh? Yeah, can you do this page for me? Hurry up before your lunch break, because I know you're gonna tell me it's your lunch break.
first. So. What is that you do for? Are you gonna take a while now to look for your pencil? Anyway? Can you put something on your buttons, please? Something's giving me some really good answer here.
Guys, but that was still on here. Thank you. Okay, I see that. So copy 200 words, Maxis, and then paste it. So just copy the few first lines and put it on there. Let me see how you've started it, please. Thank you. Can I end the game now? Because I can't see. Some people are still. 6 out of 7 people actually answer. For the game to cut itself off totally, the person who has not answered, can you put something in the thank you. Now it will end it. You see it. So it's ended it now. So we're gonna wrap this session up. Well done. It's literally actually just 2 minutes out. So the game's finished, and then we will go over the answers tomorrow to ensure that we get a better understanding and a better view of what's to come. Yeah. So it's gonna end the game now, and then I'll go, and then tomorrow we'll go through this, and I need you to understand what you have written. So those of you who didn't write anything, please, I'm asking you to write something up, and then tomorrow we'll do it. So the first place. So first place goes to Chameleon, second to Squash, and then Arugula, and then Sun Choke, sorry, and the final one is Radicchio. I do not know how they come up with these names. Well done, everyone. Those are the top 5. And well done. We'll do some more practice for tomorrow when I see you. So I'll see you tomorrow with the 2 tasks that I've given you today, and then we'll go over it. Okay, guys? See ya. Bye. You can all hang up. I'll see you tomorrow. Yes. Are you second place? Well done. Well done. And I can see the answers. Okay. So let's see the answers. Only few people. Can you share it in the chat so I can see it as well? Out of quizzes, please. Bye. You didn't answer the question in the chat, did you? Oh, okay. That's fine. We'll go through it again tomorrow. It's just that I want you guys to start repeating. It's repetition that we need so that we can remember exactly what we're writing. Yeah? So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yeah? Bye, miss. There's someone's calling me. Give me a minute.